Hello guys, welcome to my channel Gaila's Kitchen. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare yummy, tasty beef biryani. Kindly watch it to the end. For the ingredients, we have onions chopped into nice shapes, hoho, grated carrots, half kg boiled meat, half kg tomatoes blended, or you can cut them into small pieces, tomato paste, maziwa lala, grated raw pawpaw, crushed whole pilau mix, minced garlic and ginger and potato cut into large dices. In the bowl of chopped potatoes, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food coloring and 2 drops of water and toss it so that all the color is going to be on all the potatoes. Toss it well until all the potatoes are well coated with the yellow or orange color. First thing I'm going to cook is the rice of the biryani. I'm cooking 1 kg of rice using 8 cups of water. Add in salt and cooking oil. Wash or soak your rice, totally depending with the quality of rice you are cooking with. If it's Sindano, there's some even you don't have to wash the rice, but it will still produce the best biryani. Soak your rice and pour in the water and pour the rice in the water and let it cook. When the rice is almost drying up, mix 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of yellow food color in 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of water and pour it on top of the rice in a zigzag motion. Lower the heat and let it dry up until it is fluffy. To have that tasty, lovely biryani or the rojo biryani, you start by deep frying or caramelizing onions to have that golden color. It makes the biryani, rojo biryani, to have that taste, to have a lovely taste. And you don't have to overcook them. If overcooked, it will be bitter. The rojo will be very bitter, and we don't want tasty bitter biryani. We want tasty biryani. So you don't overcook them. Then you set them aside for it to cool down. We'll later use while cooking the rojo biryani. The same oil, add in the coated potatoes to have that crispy look, but do not let them to cook inside, just to have that crispy and that yellow vibrant or orange vibrant color. Don't overcook the potatoes. Biryani is all about color. Using a fork, mix the rice, the fluffy rice, for it to have that orange and white color well combined. When making the rojola biryani or the stew, I'm going to use the same oil that deep fried the potatoes, and I'm adding 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, then later add in chopped onions. In making the rojola biryani, there are 2 ways of making it. You can omit the part of adding onions and just add in the cooking oil, add in ginger garlic paste. When it is golden brown, add in dawa ya pilau, the whole spice crushed dawa ya pilau mix, add in. Then add in the grated carrots, add in the bell peppers, add in the blended tomatoes. There is that method. You can use this method that I'm using, which is easier, which most people use. You fry the onions till they have that shiny golden look. Then add in the ginger garlic paste. Then when you add it, give it a stir and let it cook till golden. Add chopped bell pepper and later add in grated carrots. Give it a stir to add more flavor and for the carrots to produce that juicy flavor. Then we are going to add raw pawpaw. The reason why we are using raw pawpaw in making biryani, it's a traditional way of making biryani. It adds more flavor to the meat, and it also tenderizes the meat. It makes it soft. Even for a child, a toddler can eat a rojola biryani. We consider every child when it is soft and tender. Then give it a stir. Add in the pilau mix. It produces a lovely taste and a very beautiful aroma. And cover, let it simmer. I'm going to add blended tomato puree. If you don't have a blender, you can add some chopped tomatoes. And if you're using some chopped tomatoes, after cooking garlic and ginger, add in the tomatoes immediately for it to be evenly cooked and for it to be mushy or mushy. Cover for the tomatoes to cook, for it to cook ive vizuri and produce that vibrant color and taste and that beautiful aroma. Then I'm going to add the boiled meat. The boiled meat should not be completely cooked because the papaya will make it more tenderized and more soft. Then I'll let it cook for 5 minutes. Add in the deep fried potatoes that you had made earlier and maziwa lala. The maziwa lala also works it also works as a fermenter. It makes the meat more tenderized, more soft. If for instance, if you don't have raw papaya, do not worry, the biryani will also be good. You can just use the fermented milk or maziwa lala and it will still work perfectly. And stir and let it cook for 10 minutes for the potatoes to cook because they were not yet well cooked. And add 5 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 Rocky cubes. Sorry, that part was omitted. And 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and give it a mix and let it boil until the potatoes are well cooked. When the potatoes are ready, add the caramelized or the browned onions. You can crush them using your hand and give it a mix and add finely chopped coriander. Give it a good mix, lower the heat and let it cook for 5 minutes. And the rojola biryani is ready. This is gold. You all should try out this recipe. The aroma is so good. Everybody in the house was left yearning for more. It's so good and it is so yummy. It's so easy to prepare this. Hii unakula hadi unajilamba. You can add lime if you love lime. You can add some chili. I hope you try out this recipe during this holiday. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And subscribe to my channel. Tell it, share and share to your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Let's learn more cooking recipes with simple ingredients.